Okay, so we're at Ports of Call. I'm gonna actually show you how to get to the grocery store. I haven't seen anybody do that. So I just want you to see, here's the front of the building of Ports of Call, okay? This is the front, this is a van, and then across the street, you have like, that's where the Mexican place is, and some of the places. But you're gonna come out and walk this way, right? So here's the front, you're gonna go to your left. Okay, so here's the front. You see this white building across over there? That's where we're going, to your left. So it's like a 5-minute walk. So you're just gonna walk this way. All right, I'll take you. So we went out of the front, we'll go to the left. We're gonna head to that white building. Not the first white building. I think that could be pizza. But we're gonna go to the second white building, and I'll even time it. Look at all the beautiful palm trees. No one's made, listen, I searched. There are no good videos. And so far, I like Ports of Call. I'll tell you all my pros, cons of what I think. But this is the entrance to Ports of Call. This building here, I think, is a pizza place on the left. We'll probably go there one night. I think it's called Asteria. But this is how close. This is where that pizza place is, I think. Asteria. And then Recruce. So we live in Arizona. It's humid. It's not crazy, but look how close the store is. Just careful of traffic. It's not too bad. Everybody's really friendly over here for the most part. See that? Raceway. So here's the street that we're gonna cross. So circle a little to the left. But if you go back, that's the hotel I just showed you. So we're gonna cross. Don't get killed. Crossing. And that's the grocery store. Like, so it's like a 5-minute walk. Maybe I'll film some food. See this, the pizza place is right there. It's called Asteria. That's the pizza place. You see that pizza place? That's something. So chicken right now, believe it or not, is more expensive than the beef. It's hard to believe, I know. Pharmacy, might check that out for the good drugs. I do want to go in there. We might go in, but here's that grocery store. It only took a few minutes. Beef is cheaper. You know what? I'm gonna go to the pharmacy real quick. I don't know if they let us film, and then I'll show you grocery store. Okay, so I didn't make the food go in the grocery store. If I get a chance, I'll add it. So you see this cart? I'm taking this back to the grocery store. You're supposed to give them your ID. I didn't, because I'm honest. I just took it. Brought back water, $13 for the water. $13, $14 for a case of 40. Coke wasn't bad, $13, $14 bucks. Remember, considering we're in the right Turks for a 12-pack. So figure $13, $14 for a 12-pack. But look, remember I showed you? So in front of Turks, right there at the grocery store, you can actually take the shopping cart, right, and then return it with your stuff below. You do get a mini fridge. The most dangerous part is crossing back this way. Just have to be careful when you cross. But I'm going to return this, and I'll keep filming footage. If I get a chance, I'll do some pricing. But look, just out to the left, there's the grocery store. Get a shopping cart, and then you can tow everything back. All right, so look, put the shopping cart back. Turn around. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, they do have whole chicken rotisseries. Amazing, I got it. I'll show you. For like 13 something, 14 bucks for a rotisserie, which is good considering a whole chicken raw, $21. So you see, I'm coming back across the street. That's that pizza place. But I literally, you saw me, it was like 5 minutes, right? Across the street. But so what I would do, whole chickens, the rotisseries is a great way to supplement for that extra protein if you're on a budget. Right here, 7 stars. I think that blue, the hotel, 7 stars. And then Portugal is right next to it. So you could save probably half the price. Stay at Portugal. Alright, so that's the Ritz-Carlton. That white and the blue, 7 stars. So look, Portugal right behind. 7 stars, which people love. And look, I'm back. It took 2 minutes to bring that back. And then of course a bunch of little shops over there. Okay, I just wanted to show you the rotisserie chicken. I know the fan's blurring, but look, it's delicious. 13 something, almost 14 bucks. But they have it. Oh yeah, snacks for later. Apples, croissants, brought back. Although we ate the eggs, those eggs and sausage were very good.